Hey friends, this is Natif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Book of Meme. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the movement of Book of Meme is quite squeezed inside in another rising wedge pattern. Therefore, at any time I was telling you that it can break this pattern. And this was my last video that I shared with you almost 3 days ago. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that unfortunately we have broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern. In fact, this was a bearish bias pattern in the price and has broken down the support. And by the way, here you can also watch a head and shoulder pattern as well. This was the shoulder, this was the right shoulder, a left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder of a head and shoulder pattern. That was another signal that eventually we can break down the support of this rising wedge pattern. And this was the neckline. And if we take a look at the target for the breakdown from this head and shoulder, that target was here, and you can see that the price end has almost hit that target as well. Now, recently, you can see that the price end went very close to this long-term support of 1 cent, and now it is getting accumulated here. By the way, during this move to the downside, we have also broken down a very, very significant support of EMF 50. You can see that for the past several days, it has been breaking as a resistance here, and now it was breaking as a nice support, and we have lost this support as well. And now the price line is getting accumulated above this support of 1 cent. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme. And this move produced almost 50% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared a few days ago on 20th of May 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Book of Meme was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see it was about to enter the buying zone. And this was the complete trade setup, by the way. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved more down and entered the buying zone here. And then we had a very, very nice reversal, and this was almost 50% pump. And before that, we caught almost 20% pump. And this move, by the way, I shared on 6th of May 2024. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Book of Meme completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 20% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Book of Meme. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that previously it was moving inside this symmetrical triangle. By the way, we broke out the resistance here, and then we had a nice short pump, but now the price line has broken down this uptrend line support of the previous triangle. Therefore, I'm not following this breakout from this triangle anymore. However, if we take a look at the further move here, then you can see that the price line has recently broken down this rising wedge pattern. And now, after the breakdown, we have also broken down these two very significant support levels as well. One support was here at 1.25 cents, and the next support was here at this one, the EMF 50. That was a very strong support, and we have also broken down this support as well. But at the same time, you can see that stochastic has once again entered the oversold zone. And previously, when it was entered the oversold zone, then we had a nice price correction. In fact, the price then reached the resistance of the wedge. And again, when it was entered the oversold zone, then we had another very nice price correction, and the price then got rejected by the resistance of the wedge once again. And this time, the price then has again entered the oversold zone. And this time, by the way, it is historically oversold. If you want the value this time, then value is 8.86. And by the way, the lowest value of oversold was here in the month of April 2024. That was here at 7.02. And we are almost about to hit that level once again. And now we also have a very, very nice support here at 1 cent. Therefore, it will be really, very difficult for the price end to hit the target for this breakdown. However, the technical target for this breakdown is here at the bottom of the wedge, that is approximately at 0.00788. But before that, we will need to break down this support of 1 cent. If the price then breaks it down, this support of 1 cent, then it can drop down further to hit this target to the downside for this breakdown. Now we need to keep an eye on this next resistance. If the price then starts another reversal move from here, then this will be another very, very strong resistance that we have here at 1.25 cents. And you can see that almost at the same level, we also have this resistance of EMA 50 on this daily time frame chart as well. And in case of breaking out this resistance of 1.25 cents, the price and can again try to re-enter this rising wedge pattern, and then it can also hit the next major resistance that will be here. That is approximately at 1.86 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And now, again, it can break as a very, very strong resistance. And before that, we will have another resistance, by the way, here as well. You can see that we had rejection here when the price was trying to break out the resistance. You can see that here it has been breaking out the resistance. This level is at 1.597. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And now, again, it broke as a resistance. And first, we will need to break it out, and then the price and can hit this next resistance of 1.86 cents. And in that situation, I'm expecting that it can again try to break out this uptrend line support of this rising wedge pattern as well that was previously breaking as a support for this wedge. And this time it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Book of Meme. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.